Carpenter, Zuckerman Rowley has a philosophy of fighting for the client, fighting to the end, never giving up. When we sign on to a case, we sign on for it, good or bad, all the way to the end. Nick is the ultimate fighter. He doesn't give up. He adds his amazing trial talent, his amazing skill to what we have existing here, our existing skill set, and he will fight a case until the end.
Nick is the kind of lawyer that lives and breathes his job. He identifies himself first and primary as a trial lawyer.
He's as comfortable in a courtroom as you and I are in our family room. And the courtroom is essentially his. And everybody there, including the judge, the jury, and even defense counsel, are just watching him.
The first time I met Nick, he was young, seemed unnaturally young for the talk he was talking. What changed my mind was seeing him in action. I saw how he interacted with a client. I saw how Nick was able to process the facts of the case. I saw how Nick was able to understand the liability that was involved in the case. I saw how Nick was able to appreciate the client's damages.
Nick identifies what is important and compelling about someone's loss in meaningful, heartfelt ways, and then he's able to find something within himself that he relates with, and then he brings that relationship from the client himself and brings that to the jury.
Nick's primary focus is to be brutally honest with the jury and establish a connection with each and every juror.
Nick takes the time to get attached to the clients, and he has the courage to get attached to the clients, because in relationships and in trials, falling in love has its risks, and Nick is always willing to take that risk.
Nick builds up credibility. By admitting to faults, you build up credibility. Nick is going to embrace the bad in his clients, the human in his clients, and turn those into assets.
Nick's ability to handle so many cases and handle so many trials is extraordinary. And I think the only way he's able to do that is to have this drive to try to deliver justice to as many families who have been wronged.
Nick brings justice the respect that it deserves.